nakakabit ka pa sa dating ikaw. Alam mo kasi yung feeling na walang nagsho-show up para sa'yo eh. Alam mo kasi yung feeling na down ka na, di-down ka pa. Alam mo yung feeling na ginagawa ka ng paraan para sa kanila, pero sila pa yung hahatak sa'yo pababa eh. So here's the bigger question that you have to be clear. Who do you want to become? When I say who, when you show up, sino dito yung dinedaydream mo yung sarili mo in a story sometimes? Yung parang kailangan pagdating ko, ganito ako maglakad. Tapos ganito suot ko, tapos ganito katawang ko. Tapos alam mo yun, pag naglalakad ako, yung dede ko gumagalaw. Alam mo yun, yung tumatalbog, no? you understand what I mean? You mentally rehearse na para kang bida sa kwento mo. What if you can really be that person? It's really powerful. Can I share with you another story, yeah? This is powerful. This is what we call the power of identity. So way back, when I was struggling, I lost millions, I lost my hair. Alam niyo ba guys, way back, I was a fitness model. Hindi lang halata. Siguro naman yung team ko hindi magpapakita ng picture. Huwag kayo magpakita ng picture sa screen. But I was a fitness model. I was signed by Bench and Pen Shop and Giordano before. I was also doing modeling before. Pero katawan lang, yung ulo hindi. So may mga brochures po, may mga briefs si Bench dati. Ako yung nandun. Tawan lang. Kagaya ako. Hindi kita yung mukha ko. Bad trip nga eh. Mas malaki ata bahit pag kasama ang mukha eh. No? But I was doing modeling before. I was doing I was a sponsored athlete by Musclemania. I was sponsored by Musclemania. So yung pagkain ko, sila na nang sumasagot. So budget na mga 6 months, 150,000. Maliit lang, ubos yun sa food eh. Mahal kasi food, mahal ang broccoli, mahal ang chicken breast, ubos yun sa supplements. But I was doing that. During those times that I have the muscle, I was getting a lot of comments, I was extremely insecure. Imagine nyo, MJ Lopez, magsa-selfie ako. Yun yung my day ko. Alam mo yan, papakuyot ka talaga. Hanap ka pa ng anggulo. Pati yung mukha mo, kailang sagwa eh, right? But that was me before. Gusto ko pakita yung katawan ko lagi, ganyan. Work hard. Pero you know, for me, it's different now. But I want you to understand, I am more confident. I'm really confident, absolutely confident now when I lost my hair. Imagine nyo, okay lang ako hindi pogi, sa ako confident. I'm gonna share with you why. Okay lang ba? Massive confidence. Breakthrough for me. So when I was struggling, I lost the money, I lost the team, I lost myself, I lost my hair, I lost my self-worth, and more importantly, I lost the love for myself. Parang hindi ko na mahal sarili ko. So, matanda ko ng seminar ni Tony, para lang ituro niya sa akin na mahalin mo yung sarili mo, appreciate and understand your world. You have to, you have to have clarity with who you want to become. Nag-build ako ngayon ng brand. Sabi ko, ayoko na si Mark. Mark ako eh. Mark Giuliano po pangalan ko. Ginawa ko siyang MJ Lopez. So, hindi pa ako si MJ Lopez before. Si Mark pa. Si Mark. Ngayon, sa MJ Lopez, sabi ko, binibuild ko yung who. So, inuna ko yung what. I started with what. Like, okay, kumikita to ng malaking pera. Siguro ito dapat naka-Porsche to. Yun yung mga resultang gusto ko. Tapos ito, powerful. Dapat powerful. Tapos high energy. So pinagsama-sama ko, no? Nagsama-sama ako. Una kong dinagay dyan, si Tony. Tony Robbins. Si Tony Robbins. So, si Tony, high energy, transformational speaker. Parang iba siya magsalita eh. Lakas ng dating eh. And then, nilagay ko dito, fictional character, si Harvey Specter. No? Si Harvey Specter yung sa Suits. Who's familiar with Suits? Yung lagi siyang nakasuit, ang yang, galing mag-close ng deal, right? So, yun yung gusto ko. And then, in terms of facing challenges, naglagay pa ako ng isang ano dito. Siguro kaya ako mahilig magmura-gawa nito. Naglagay pa ako isang character, si Tommy Shelby. Gusto ko yung way niya in, yung handling struggles, no? Joke lang. So yung laging galit, laging may kaaway, no? Parang mafia style. Nilagay ko rin dyan. And then, it's like, a lot of those combinations. So si Tony, hindi mahilig mag-joke. Hindi siya nagpapatawa eh. So nilagay ko si Jim Rohn. Are you with me? Nasusundan niyo ako? So, meron akong itsura. Gusto ko si Tony Robbins, pero maganda yung katawan, tapos nakasuit. Parang ganun yung gusto ko. Tapos gusto ko yung medyo mas high energy, nilagay ko pa si Ryan Serhant dyan. So, parang gusto ko sa vlogs, ganito, high energy and all that. So, I will show up every day as him. So, yan yung fake it till you make it. Yan yung act as if. Na, I have to prime myself. Parang wala akong tiwala sa sarili ko. Tingin ako sa sarili, pangit mo talaga, brother. Nakakaasar. Pero pag, natatawagin na ako, I will do priming, may meditate ko, ganun ako sa stage. Okay, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng energy, ng lakas, the wisdom, the willpower, whatever it takes. Yes, punta ako sa stage. And then, noong time na yun, parang hiram na ano siya. It's a borrowed identity. Are you with me? That every time I'm on stage, I'm gonna be this person. Pagbaba ko ng stage, balik ako sa MJ Lopez. Drain ako talaga minsan. Ang hirap ng ginawa ko kanina. No? So, pagod ako doon. So, it's like really draining for me before because it's not me yet. But I'm trying to show up like this person every day. And I'm thinking ko, marami kang pinagdaanan, you will show up for people. Alam mo kasi yung feeling na walang nag-show up para sa'yo eh. Alam mo kasi yung feeling na down ka na, dinown ka pa eh. Alam mo yung feeling na ginagawa ka ng paraan para sa kanila, pero sila pa yung hahatak sa'yo pababa eh. Right? So I will show up for people. During events, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will be the highest paid mentor. So during events, I'm gonna act as if, so pag may event, free or not, ako yung pinakamaaga. You saw that in Digital Impact. 5 a.m., we're checking the venue. Right? Ingress, nauuna pa kami sa Ingress. Ako yung speaker, di ba? Pag speaker ka, pa-importante ka, ikaw yung huli. Hindi. Gusto ko makita yung venue. Ano tsura? Malinis pa, ganyan. I will make sure okay. Dadasalan ko na yon. I will ground myself. Ini-imagine ko na sarili ko on stage dito. Yan, dito yung mga tao. Ito yung pwestuhan. Akit na ako ng stage, tatatry ko na yun. Ganito pala yung feeling dito. So, alam mo yun, ginagawa kong komportable yung sarili ko. Are you with me? So I'm acting as if I'm paid millions to do that, kahit libre. So I'm always creating impact as a speaker, even without social media. Kaya ngayon nag-create ako ng video sa social media, it's really easy for me. So hindi ko na malayan, guys, in less than a year, ako na pala to. I don't have to fake it. I just show up like this person naturally. That's the power of identity. Initially, it will feel awkward. Initially, talaga it will feel like you're faking it. Because initially, nakakabit ka pa sa dating ikaw. You're more aligned to the old you. So even if you are betrayed, people are hating on you, tandaan mo, ang niloko nila, yung dating ikaw. So either ibabalik mo yung sarili mo doon, or hindi na ako yun. Yung niloko nila, yung dating ako. Iba na to. Are you with me still? Yes. All learning. Clarity. Again, most of the problems that we have, clarity.